Hello friends, today we are going to study about the different merits of the partnership firm. In the last video already we have seen the concept of partnership firm and what are the different features of partnership firm. Now let's start with the merits. The first merit is easy formation. How? It is very easy to form partnership business because only two persons are required to form partnership business. The partners can sign the agreement and get the firm registered. Even procedure for registration is very simple and quick. Now the second feature is capital. The partnership business has more capital as compared to sole trading concern. As partnership business has more number of partners, they can collect more capital. The capital contribution ratio of all partners is mentioned in the agreement, and as per the ratio they are collecting the capital. Now the third advantage is business secrecy. The partnership firm enjoys secrecy as the firms are not subject to publish books of accounts annually. Due to this reason, competitors cannot easily come to know about the secrets and confidential information of the partnership firm. The next is continue existence. The partnership can have continue existence even after the death, insolvency, or insanity of one of its partner. The partnership can be carried on by existing partners provided that there should be provision in partnership agreement. However, new partnership deed needs to be redrafted. The next advantage is flexibility of operation. Why? Because there is more flexibility in partnership business. Partners may expand or diversify business activities as and when required. Partners can change line of business as per changing business situations. If required, they may close down the business. The next merit is decision making. There is a quick decision making in partnership as few partners are involved in decision making process. The decisions are taken after detailed discussion among partners. The quality of decision making is better than sole trading concern because always we can say two is better than one. Now the next is effort reward relationship. There is a direct relationship between effort and rewards in case of partnership business. Each and every partner puts in the best effort and so rewards are shared among them. If partnership agreement provides, active partners may get higher share in profit as compared to other partners in the organization. Then the next is goodwill. Goodwill means valuation of partnership business in terms of money. The partnership enjoys good amount of goodwill in the market. This goodwill in the market is due to quality service, better services to the customers, ethical working of partnership business. Normally, in case of admission of a new partner has to bring certain amount of goodwill in the business. And the last one is specialization. In partnership business, some partners may be good at a different skill such as finance, technology, marketing, which brings in specialization in partnership business. This specialization also brings higher efficiency in the organization. Thank you everyone. I hope you have understood clearly what are the merits of partnership business. Now like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.